Welcome back. Continuing the news, to our primetime news follow-up now. The worst fears of a Trenchtown family in Kingston have been realized. Their loved one's body was found after a tragic incident in the area last week. Amoy Harriet reports.
It's been over a week of sleepless nights. The family of 26-year-old Alric Moncrief have been searching the length of Collie Smith Gully ever since he was swept away by ferocious flood waters on the day Hurricane Beryl hit Jamaica. Residents of Trenchtown also joined the search, which took them to Maypen Cemetery and Marcus Garvey Drive. They almost gave up on finding the body. Then news came Thursday that it was found floating behind the Petrojam oil refinery plant sometime after 10 a.m. The sea in the background a lot calmer than it was a week ago. At the deceased man's home, although they're broken, the family expressed relief. Although it's difficult, they say they finally have closure. His mother was lost for words.
When she cooks in the kitchen, he's there. She's kneading the flour, he's seasoning the meat. And that's a child that any mother would have ever wanted to have, because I am a mother. And losing a child is not easy. But we can follow the things of God. God knows all things. But I just pray my cousin's strength as she grieved the loss of her son.
The 26-year-old, known in the community as Kalanje, was reportedly playing football with a group of friends when the ball went into the gully. He met his demise as he tried to retrieve it.
Even the same day, I was out there with them, videoing and acting stupid myself too. But afterwards, when I came in and they said that happened to the Kalanje, it was so hurtful. So it was so hurtful. Trust me, I couldn't even sleep the night. So I know. Even yesterday on the beach, I was saying to our cousin, I don't even understand where his mother is going through right now, because it's supposed to be so crazy for her.
Residents say he was a promising young man.
Cuba man, I can't say that, but he was a sweetheart. Good youth. Good youth. I tell you, nothing. I never hear, because when you grow up in a garrison like this, you can't turn out wicked, It's dear for you can become notorious, and then you in their 20s. I never see them with all a sharp knife yet. You see, the last conversation I have with him up by Crossroad and see him. I'm see him and say, yo, you have security. And I must say, yeah. I'm say, you know, say, I have a friend can probably get in at the force and thing, because I say, sorry, I never know, say, you'll go in at them thing like what they when them are recruit, And I say, I do it in a grantee. I say, I never know.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
Coronation Month.